Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to claim your Spotify for Artists profile using DistroKid. This is really important if you want to manage your artist page, upload a profile picture, write your bio, and track your streams. Even if you're new to Spotify or DistroKid, don't worry because I'll make it easy to follow. We're going to start by making sure your music is uploaded through DistroKid and delivered to Spotify. Then I'll show you how to access the Spotify for Artists section in DistroKid, claim your profile, and verify your account. By the end of this video, you'll be able to manage your artist profile and start growing your presence on Spotify. So let's get started and see how to claim your Spotify for Artists profile with DistroKid. First thing is first, we will search up DistroKid and click, then we will log in. After that, we will go to right side of the screen and click the four-dotted icon, then New option appears, then go down and click Special Access, then click Spotify for Artist, which takes us to a new screen. As you can see, I have no music uploaded, so I don't see the option I'm supposed, but yours will show you artists' names and access buttons, and also they will ask you to fill out a form. Then we will go to Spotify and go to our artist's name. If our artist's name is Drake, we will go and copy the link which you are going to need for your form. After filling out the form, you will wait for DistroKid to send you an email saying you are good to go. Then go to Spotify for Artists and customize your account. To sum up, we first searched for DistroKid and logged into our account. Then we clicked the four-dotted icon on the right side, went to Special Access, and selected Spotify for Artists. After that, we followed the instructions on the page, copied the link to our Spotify artist profile, and filled out the form. Finally, we waited for the confirmation email from DistroKid, and once approved, we went to Spotify for Artists to customize the profile. Having access to Spotify for Artists is really important for any musician who wants to grow their audience and manage their music professionally. I hope this tutorial helps you get started with your artist page and makes the process much easier. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.